Hello, cooking enthusiasts. I am back from a little break because I needed to sort of reevaluate my recording setup. The last two videos sounded like I recorded them on a potato, so I've switched back to using my somewhat annoying but better quality microphone. Speaking of potatoes, that's what today's video is about. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should all be doing, I posted two photos. One was of smoked water, and a few weeks later, potatoes soaking in smoked water. So my first attempt at sort of smoky or just generally flavor enhanced potatoes was par cooking the potatoes in smoked water and then letting them refrigerate for a little bit. Then I did a standard French fry double fry and then coated them in a mixture of sour cream powder and cheddar powder. Now those French fries were pretty good. The smoky flavor from the smoked water was very subtle. It kind of got overpowered by the coating of cheese and sour cream flavor, and just overall, they were okay, but not amazing. The real winner was the second experiment, which I almost did as more of an afterthought. We had cut some extra potatoes to have normal French fries, but there were too many, so we let them soak overnight in more smoked water with a generous glug of soy sauce as well. So this mixture did not get parboiled, just soaked overnight and then double fried like I always do, and the flavor was amazing. The oak smoke and the soy sauce flavor sort of locked together to create a generic but still very satisfying barbecue flavor. Imagine, if you will, barbecue flavored potato chips, but that flavor is not on the outside, but permeating through the entire French fry. I'll link in the video description my Instagram post where I describe how to make smoked water, but if you want, I can also make an entire video about that. So yeah, I highly recommend you make some smoked water. You get some relatively inexpensive soy sauce because you want to be generous with it, and you can make these upgraded barbecue flavored French fries. They're really delicious. If you have any other questions, either about this or any food questions, you can leave them as a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching.